new school year is just around the corner.
And health officials are sharing ways to prepare for the first day and keep your students healthy throughout the year. With the start of a new school year, parents are encouraged to check their child's vaccination records to make sure they're up to date.
Being up to date on your vaccines is very important because that means that will help you not get some of those vaccine preventable illnesses.
In addition to being up to date on vaccines and practicing good hygiene, it's also important to know when to take your child to the doctor if they become ill during the year.
Shortness of breath, high fevers, kids kind of turn in different colors, having trouble breathing, complaining about severe pain in the neck or the head. Those are all things you probably want to see your pediatrician for or your family care doctor for. Or even see an urgent care for.
Another aspect of staying healthy throughout the year is making sure kids are hydrated, getting proper nutrition and sleep.
Just having kids get a really good amount of sleep can be super helpful. Also, just making sure they have good nutrition, which I know in some communities may be more difficult than others. For kids below the age of 15, the recommendation is that they get between 10 and 12 hours of sleep.
Rosales says the most important thing heading back to school is making sure everything is up to date.
Will help prevent missed school for kids and missed work for parents. It's very, very, very important. And then making sure that our kids get to see their primary care physician at least once a year to assure that they are in good health.
Rosales says it's also important to make sure kids aren't sharing things like candy, gum, utensils, and water bottles to help prevent spreading more germs.
He adds it's important to make sure kids are washing their hands throughout the day, especially when they get home from school.